Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Cardano for the month of November? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if it was right, see if it was wrong, and then we all question our lives for listening to AI. But with that being said, let's get to the guess. And the question, hey ChatGPT, you got last month's guess wrong, so let's give it another shot. This time we're going to guess the price of Cardano ADA for November 2025. Right now ADA is sitting at around 61 cents. Look back at the historical performance of ADA in November since it was first introduced. Has November usually been a positive or negative month for ADA? I want you to give me 3 guesses for November 2025, a bullish guess, a bearish guess, and the official guess, the standard guess. Let's tighten things up, no massive ranges this time, just close focused guesses for each one. Be sure to include both exact price values and ranges for each guess. No need to explain how you got there, just hit me with the results. With that being said, let's hit the button. Alright guys, it's official. ChatGPT has given us their answer. As for trends in November, it's mixed results. As an example, in 2018, they were down 34%. In 2020, it was up 63%. So no reliable upward or downward trends for the month of November. Alright, let's now get to the bread and butter of the video, the official guesses, the bullish guess, which is everything goes right and the crypto market soars. ChatGPT thinks Cardano is just going to crawl. Its exact guess for the bullish guess is 85 cents. The range is between 80 cents and 90 cents. The standard guess, the official guess, this is the guess that everything will be graded on. The exact guess is 70 cents. Range between 65 cents and 75 cents. The bearish guess is if everything poop hits the fan and the markets collapse. The exact guess, 55 cents. Range, 50 cents to 60 cents. So based off ChatGPT's official guesses, it feels like the market isn't going to move too much, at least from ChatGPT's point of view. I'm happy the guesses are a little bit more condensed. I know we asked it to, but when you have guesses like this between 50 cents and 90 cents, almost a 2x from the bottom of the price range, that was a little much. But at least we got it. Let me know what you guys think. Are you more on the bullish side, the standard side, or the bearish side? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really interested to see where you guys are for the month of November. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. We're almost at 2K subs, so please give me that subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Other than that, I do hope you all take care and spike your hair. And I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.